Tonic RC.
Welcome to the new Tonic RC YouTube channel. I thought I'd kick off this channel with a brief intro to my little RC workshop and the things I'll be doing on this channel. My RC journey started back in 1985 when I was just a young kid. My very first hobby-grade RC kit was the Tamiya Monster Beetle. Between then and now, I've amassed dozens of RC cars, from racing to bashing and everything in between. I've taken a number of breaks between RC eras, with my previous one being about 12 years long. 2024 marked another new RC era for me, as I've jumped headfirst into various RC disciplines. Now, let me just preface that I didn't create this channel to come off as some kind of RC guru. I'm not. I just have a very long love of RC, and I'll be sharing some of my builds with you and invite you to come along for that journey. So here's what you should expect to see on this channel. I really like mixing and fusing ideas together, especially when it comes to RC. This is the reason for the name Tonic RC, where I'll be mixing things up in a lot of my favorite RC disciplines, from 1/24th scale to 1/5 scale. I especially enjoy customizing vintage kits with modern tech. I'll implement various tools to create custom parts using my 3D printers, laser cutter, vinyl cutter, decal printer, and more. The first video will be a scratch-built SCX-24 using an off-the-shelf toy body I found on eBay. Then it's time for a custom Honda City Turbo, Senna Edition. It's 1/3 F1, 1/3 Hill Climber, and 1/3 JDM. And Momo Ayase approved. After that, a video of a new two-wheel drive race buggy build with almost no stock parts, but adding flair from its vintage heritage. At some point, my original Tamiya Porsche 959 will go through a complete overhaul and rebuild, using a lot of modern bits and pieces, which in of itself might cause some dramatic reactions by the purists. But the number one rule I always follow is to have fun with RC and do what you want to do, not what others want you to do. So stick around for some exciting things to come and enjoy this wild journey with me.